Where the fuck is his phone?
Ran up to 35 times.
Oh, I just didn't.
What is up, YouTube? Special guest,
Special Ed,
Rocco in the building. We're about to go to the
About
gym.
to go to the gym, get a pump, and yeah. So yeah.
What you gotta say, special guest?
about to get big.
Surfer boy in the building.
Well, let's say
So today we actually I didn't bring the Black Forester because Caesar didn't trust me. So we're rocking the Danny Forester. And yeah, so we're gonna tune in at the gym. Hopefully we just record like normal, you know. The night is still young. Beach tomorrow. Gym today.
let's go get this pump. It is cute. And we just arrived at the gym. We got our energy drinks. This is this one. We got
Light skin, buddy.
Ghost, Sweetest
Light skin,
Fish.
body fat ass, look like J-Lo. I'll pop yo top, give you a halo.
Everybody go get this chest and tri pump. And yeah, that's all I got here.
All right, the key to getting a good pump is everyone is gonna pick 2 workouts each for each muscle group. So
Only
you pick 2
workouts total?
Are you dumb, bro? 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Wait.
Oh my god, I'm gonna smack you in your
2
face.
workouts each?
So the key is getting each muscle group. You pick 2 workouts. So Rocco's gonna pick 2, I'm gonna pick 2, Bobby's gonna pick 2. And we're gonna do that each
I know
for
what you mean. Yeah,
so
yeah.
2 each for chest and 2 each for triceps.
Each of us pick one.
So
Each of us
6
pick 6.
movements per thing. 2 sets. So we're signing in right now.
What's it? 7? Get Jesse's in
I have to go pee.
What's it? 7? Get
5?
Jesse. 7.
Alright guys, we're gonna tune in when we're doing
Get
workouts.
Jesse's thing.
Bobby's going. He is awkward at his own gym. Is he a little awkward, right? Is this just me or he's a little awkward? He's in the zone right now. Alright, Bob, go. Go with your set. We all gotta be in the middle, Bobby.
Don't mind it.
Yeah, you can see yourself. POV.
Now look at the lats actually. Look at my lats.
Look at my lens. Let me see your line spread. We all gotta hit the same thing at the same time.
Alright, what we gonna hit? What we gonna hit?
Alright, wait, no, Bobby calls everything. Alright, start.
This is front double line, right? I'm on your last.
Alright, next. gym. Hey, yo!
Skibbity mag.
Rare gout sighting.
Bro, shut up. I leave.
You lost? What? Try not to cringe challenge.
Okay.
Hey, yo! Hold it. Bruh.
He needs some milk.
My name's Chad. I got basketball game tomorrow. What's going on, y'all? Basically, what are we doing right now?
We going to the beach. Gonna go get Jesse. And yeah.
We're going to the beach, about to go get Jesse. I'm wearing Rocco's wife beater, so I have more aura. Yeah, we can't be seen in this car though. Wait, I have to show them the car before we leave.
Okay.
So this is a sleeper build. Bobby's been building this for about 4 years, right?
4 years.
Pop the hood real quick. The hood latch is so like, it's only electrical and the car's off right now, but it's V12 twin turbo. It has a Ferrari F12 engine in it right now. We are swapping it to a Koenigsegg engine in the next 6 months. So this is what we're gonna be pulling up in the gym. Right, so you've seen this on Kendrick Lamar's album cover. This is the exact model replica off of that one. And yeah, so, huh? This is the exact car from Kendrick Lamar's album. We have so much things that are in this car. So we have working AC, we have coins. So if you ever need coins, just let us know, guys. And yeah, Jesse, we're on the way. We're gonna probably next cut is either gonna, oh, there you go.
The exact car for me.
See this, guys? This is the exact replica. All right, so we're gonna be back in a little bit. Hopefully we're with Jesse. If not, we might just show the beach a little bit, but all right. Outro.
See y'all later.
We arrived. We're at Culver's right now, and basically I'm gonna walk around today and look like we're professional vloggers. Like I'm gonna be like loud and shit, like, and just let them know who's up. Like we just gotta like
parking at?
we just gotta let them know. So parking is actually full, like to the brim right now. I'm only at 66%, guys, so we're gonna have to make this worth. Jesse's pulling up soon. And today we're gonna be at the beach and shit, probably gym later. Guys, so we'll tune back in at the beach. Have a good day, guys. I'm about to tweak the fuck out if these kids keep being loud as fuck. Talking about lifeguards and shit.
You gotta like.
Oh shit, in a fucking building. In a building. What you gotta say, man? Say, man, what it do, man?
I'll even go back.
Hey, how you feel about this fucking geeks next to us? Alright, tune in later. We're gonna be I got the tripod and shit.
Yo.
We have arrived. Here, Bob.
Yes.
Here you go.
Hey, we have arrived at the beach at this motherfucker.
Yo, what the hell is this house doing right here?
Beautiful, beautiful walk down here.
Oh, this is so ambient. Show them the
There's
ambience is crazy.
Lots of ambience here.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Wait, give me the ball. Let me go in front. Record a video of the people that be walking in. Wait. I never put ever read in the background. I know. Don't make Lisa.
Where the fuck is his phone at?
So, today.
Locked in a stalemate and bars no rock in a hard place, it's battery control.
Alright guys, we're just in the water. Bobby had to clean off a little bit.
Give me the toilet.
AKA push a little too hard.
Call him Brown Butt Bob for a couple
Brown Butt Bobby. All right, Bobby, what you got to say about today? How's today been going so far? Is it lower moments yet?
This is Ghibli toilet moment.
Is this lower moments, Jesse?
This is.
Yo, I've been holding this the whole time, bro. When y'all gotta talk to the vlog and tell them what's up?
Why do you have a shitty doodle ass? Alright guys, today we're coming up on Michael Jordan. I'm on Michael Jordan this dude, alright? Let's give it a toilet race.
Let's get to like
Baka.
we can hit 90K subscribers, right? Next week. What are we at? 82,000 right now? Where'd all the time go? Starting to fly. Alright, so listen.
We're at the gym. And we're at 27%.
Try not to open the door challenge. Try not to open the door.
Oh, that counts.
That's a window.
Alright guys,
No.
we
First of all, never trust a fart.
Never.
We're gonna go wrestling, hit buys, shoulders, and
tries.
arms. And we got low percent, so we gotta make this quick. See y'all in there.
No, we got to see the working hard shit. A battery percentage. I don't even think we're gonna record in the gym today.
Bro, don't, because this crew is like.
Alright boys.
Shit,
Where we at, dog?
fuck I'm going.
Where we going?
I don't fucking know, bro.
We're going to get left pocket dog shit right now.
pocket
I can't see shit with these lights, bro.
Alright, we're going to
We on the way
right now.
down. I mean,
Going to my house. Alright, we're about to hit y'all up when we get to the crib.
29 miles per gallon right now. It's doing pretty good.
Oh balls, 29 miles per gallon. Alright guys, peace out.
Michael fucking Jordan. Left pocket fucking dog shit.
We're going fishing on that shitty boat or what?
Bro, I'm flatly, but this is what I gotta say to Tim Theo.
Get your fucking shoes
don't
off.
trust the fart, bro.
Left pocket
What's
ass
up,
camera.
this is literally that.
This is the California.
this is
king.
that 40-piece nugget ass night. We all stuck to the same bed, bro.
Let's go get food.
Yeah, let's go get food.
Nothing to
Yo! Yo, Bobby, stop gripping on me now. That's so gay. He's literally gripping on my shit.
Yo, this is infinite language. Yo. Now what if we double spoon Dominic? Double spoon.
Alright, let me spoon both of y'all when y'all go out. Let me spoon both of y'all. Come on, let me spoon both of y'all.
How?
Come on, let me spoon both of y'all.
How? They're lying. This video ain't going on YouTube. It's going on. No, I'm gonna throw up.
Bobby today.
Just waking up here. Tired day today. Woke up a little late. Bedhead. About to go to the Swan Lake store.
About to go to the Swan Lake store to get some milk for the family.
Big job. Fuck us up, YouTube. At the Swan Lake store. Gotta go get some milk.
You're gonna record in there or no audio?
And yeah. We got a little side quest going on, guys. Tim Dude needs to be rescued on his motorcycle. We got the T40, T45 bits. We got the jumper box. We gotta go save his ass.
Did you get the Phillips screwdriver?
Fuck no. I didn't.
Alright, well, fuck that.
Oh, I missed all that footage. Oh, wow. Beautiful bike, but...
So, you wanna tell us what happened?
Well, I was thinking about a bunch of naughty things to do, and she set me straight.
Yeah. Basically, that means he's gonna take us on best boat by herself. He met some buddies out here. They didn't want to jumpstart him, so we're gonna start a 3v3 biker club brawl. And yeah, tune in later, guys. We're gonna be on the jet ski, sending kayaks off. This bike's going in the water next.
Go jump hard.
All right, guys. Today we are on the jet ski. My ass crack is out right now. Bobby is.
Bro, my feet are burning.
Conclude the weekend, Bob.
It's been the weekend. It was an unexpected weekend, but it's a good weekend.
I don't know how we put this together.
See you later, chat.
You have an outro. Give your outro.
I'm ready to go home. I am home. I'm ready to go pee.
Mike Leeson fucking did it. bro.
Please install the headphones and
Show your rage. Show his rage.
holy fuck, he's raging.
All right, Bobby.
See you later, camera.
Bobby. Sayonara. Finally done with this weekend. This random ass weekend, everyone just popped out of nowhere. I already know. I got the shit.
From who?
From Tim.
Sayonara, Zester Bros.